Hello, English learners. Are you ready to take your speaking skills to the next level? Today, we're exploring how building confidence can transform your English learning experience. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Confidence isn't just a bonus in language learning, it's a necessity. When you're confident, you're more likely to speak up, practice regularly, and embrace the learning process. Remember, fluency comes from consistent practice, not perfection. Think about it. Even native speakers make mistakes. The key is not to fear errors, but to see them as stepping stones to improvement. As Eleanor Roosevelt once said, confidence comes not from always being right, but from not fearing to be wrong. Building confidence allows you to enjoy the learning journey, engage in conversations, and express yourself more freely. It's about progress, not perfection. Let's identify what's holding you back. Common barriers include fear of making mistakes. Worrying about errors can prevent you from speaking up. Perfectionism. Believing you must speak flawlessly before trying. And negative self-talk. Telling yourself, I'm not good at languages. All of these can hold you back. To overcome these, start by acknowledging your fears. Write them down and reflect on their origins. Are they based on past experiences or self-imposed expectations? Next, assess your current English level honestly. Set realistic and achievable goals. For example, aim to learn 5 new words a day or have a short conversation in English daily. Adopting a growth mindset is crucial. This means viewing challenges as opportunities to learn rather than obstacles. Embrace the idea that your abilities can improve with effort and practice. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your journey is unique and progress is personal. Building a strong foundation in English involves focusing on 3 key areas: pronunciation and clarity, expanding vocabulary, and strengthening grammar. Let's break down each area. Pronunciation and clarity. Use online tools to hear native pronunciations. Practice speaking aloud. Recording yourself to identify areas for improvement is a great idea. Engage in shadowing exercises, listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately to mimic rhythm and intonation. I have a lot of shadowing videos on my channel. You can check them out later. Expanding vocabulary. For this area, you can read diverse materials, books, articles, and blogs to encounter new words in context. Use flashcards or apps to review and retain vocabulary. Incorporate new words into your daily conversations to reinforce learning. And for improving your grammar, you can focus on common structures like verb tenses, prepositions, and sentence formation. Practice through writing exercises such as journaling or composing short essays. Remember, mastering the basics builds the confidence needed for more advanced communications. Regular practice is the key to fluency. Here are some effective strategies. Join conversation groups. Join the platforms to connect with language partners worldwide. Find a language partner or tutor. Regular sessions provide personalized feedback and encouragement. Engage in real-life situations. Order food in English. Ask for directions or start small talks with colleagues. Utilize online resources. Participate in forums, attend webinars, or watch English language videos to immerse yourself. Remember, consistency is more important than duration. Even 15 minutes of daily practice can lead to significant improvement over time. Confidence grows with each step you take. Here's how to nurture it. Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge milestones, no matter how small. Completing a lesson or having a successful conversation is worth celebrating. Visualize success. Imagine yourself speaking English fluently in various scenarios. This mental rehearsal prepares you for real life situations. Maintain a positive self image. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations like, I am improving every day. And of course, be patient. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the journey and don't rush the process. Remember, every effort you make brings you closer to your goal. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward. Thank you very much for joining me on this journey to building confidence in English. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Practice consistently and believe in your ability to improve. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below with your experiences and tips for building confidence in language learning. Let's support each other on this path to fluency. See you in the next video.